Probably seen those bonus codes floating around on Pocket Option. 20%, 50%, 100%. That's free money, yes, but it ain't yours. I'm about to teach you how to really leverage that bonus, run the net turnover, and protect your capital in the process. Trading involves significant risk, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. I want to show you how to leverage the bonus codes on Pocket Option like a true hustler, the smart way. The bonus codes, you got to be patient with them and always use them. I don't care if you're already up 100,000, use them. And I'm going to break this down for you real quick because too many of y'all jumping in the game trying to flip $50 into 10,000 overnight. That ain't trading. You know what that is? That's guessing. And over here, we don't guess. We strategize. Now, you probably seen those bonus codes floating around on Pocket Option. 20%, 50%, 100%, sometimes even more. That's free money, yes, but it ain't yours. I'm about to teach you how to really leverage that bonus, run the net turnover, and protect your capital in the process. A lot of people using it wrong. You're using the bonus codes wrong, and I'm going to show you how to leverage it. So just stay with me through the whole video. When you enter a bonus code on Pocket Option, they give you extra money on top of your initial deposit. Now, if you take a look at this example, one of my members sent me a screenshot please, and he was asking me how to understand how it works. Shout out to him. I want to make a video about it, and by the looks, he's doing extremely well. Under my teachings, you're going to do extremely well. I believe in you. So he made an initial deposit of $1,830 and used a 100% bonus code. The max amount of bonus they give you is $1,000. You're not getting more than that. So he deposited more than 1,000. They have to match that 1,000 because they are giving you 100% of your initial deposit. So if you deposit, let's say $100, they would give you $200. If it's $500, they would give you $1,000. Since he deposited more than $1,000, they can't match that $1,830 because he exceeded the $1,000. So they gave him an extra $1,000. Now, he can't just withdraw that extra $1,000. They lock it behind what's called a net turnover requirement. Typically, it's 50 times the bonus amount. So if you got $1,000 in bonus, you got to trade $50,000 worth before you can withdraw the bonus and any profit that's tied to it. Every time you trade, it's added to your net turnover, not the profit, only your trade amount. So let's say he traded with 200 times 3. That's 3 trades at $200. Whether he won or lost, he still will have $200 times 3, which is $600 to his net turnover. You have to do this until your net turnover is $50,000 off of $1,000 bonus, and that $1,000 will be available to withdraw. Your net turnover can vary lower. The smaller your deposit, because remember, it's the bonus code multiplied by 50. So in this example, because his bonus was $1,000, it's $1,000 multiplied by 50, which leaves your net turnover at 50,000. Now, using my investment protection plan, You can leverage this by focusing on building versus trying to flip and make fast cash. You don't want to flip and make fast cash. So it's all about building. So think of it like this. In the streets, if someone fronted you a load, you don't keep it. You got to flip it, move it right, and then come back with the full ticket, plus they cut. That's what pocket option is doing. Fronting you some fire. But you got to prove you can flip it before you even get the profit. You got to prove it. And my investment protection plan will be able to help you throughout the process. You just got to have patience and forget that quick flip. Forget that instant gratification type of stuff, because that's not going to help. That's not what is going to help you. The key is to stay in the game long enough to meet the net turnover without blowing your account. That's where my investment protection plan comes in. You're not risking your whole bag every trade. You're playing smart. You're patient, like a sniper. If you withdraw early before you meet that net turnover requirement, then they'll cancel the bonus and any profits tied to it. That's part of the agreement. So it's about maintaining and staying in the game. The game ain't about speed. It's about stamina. How long can you stay in the game and meet that net turnover so you can get that bonus money? Now follow this mindset. A, use bonus codes every time. That extra cushion helps. B, don't trade like the money is free. It's borrowed until you unlock it. C, stick to a smart lot size that aligns with your plan. And D, focus on the long-term turnover goal, not short-term flips. Then you want to rinse, wash, and repeat. I want to give you a true story, how the $50 code, it flipped my mindset. Let me tell you about the time I deposited $200 with the 50% bonus code. It gave me $300 total. I was feeling myself. I started trading wild, flipped it up to 1,100 in like 2 days. I thought I made it. I thought I was at the end of the road. Then I tried to withdraw. Denied. Pocket option said, you haven't met your net turnover. I had traded like $800 worth of volume, aka net turnover, but I needed $5,000 to get my profit bonus. Oh, I was sick. I know you thinking the same thing. You probably been in the same situation, and that's how it go. Almost blew the whole thing out of frustration, y'all. But then I fell back. I got in my bag. I followed my investment protection plan and got serious. It took me 2 weeks, but I hit that net turnover. Walked away with 1,200 real currency in my account and finally understood the meaning and purpose behind how to leverage this money on a consistent basis. So always use the bonus codes. Always. It was like when you learn to cook the work instead of just pushing it, the finesse is in the process. Build, build, build. Remember, trading is not a sprint. It's a marathon. And I want you to be able to master the cycle. So, one of the main questions we got to ask, what's the move? Always use the bonus code. Don't chase the bag, build it. That's why I always have a new bonus code every other day, because you need to be using them. Follow my plan. Read my book, Legally Robbing the Banks, and run the play. You ain't trying to be a one-day wonder or a one-moment wonder. You trying to be a lifetime earner. You want consistency, protection, and a clear path to grow your bag with strategy. So next time you get that bonus code, don't just flex, finesse. Don't just flex it, finesse it. Alright, I'm gonna stop playing with y'all. But yeah, use the bonus codes, y'all, to your advantage. Be patient. Let the markets come to you. And let's just say you getting to the point to where you trying to flip that net turnover, but you ain't really made that much profit. By the time you hit that net turnover, the bonus money is yours. So you still made profit anyway.